Look closely at anything, this page, your hand, the air, and keep zooming in. Past the specks, past the grains, you arrive at a single atom, the smallest piece of matter that's still the thing it is. Everything is built from these, and for something so unimaginably small, an atom hides a surprising amount of structure. Let's meet it 4 times, each time a little deeper. First, the big idea. An atom is almost entirely empty space. At its center sits a tiny, dense core, the nucleus, packed with positive protons and neutral neutrons. That's nearly all of the atom's mass, crammed into a speck at the middle. Around that core race the electrons, tiny, negative, and almost weightless. For now, picture them circling the nucleus like planets around a sun, held in close by the pull between opposite charges. That little solar system is where we'll start. It's not quite right, and we'll fix it later, but it gets one thing exactly right. A heavy center with light electrons kept near it. Now, how it really works? The electrons aren't scattered just anywhere. They're sorted into layers around the nucleus called shells, an inner shell that fills up first, then the next, then the next. Each shell holds only so many electrons, and an atom is most stable when its outer shell is full. For most atoms, that means 8 electrons out there. That drive toward a complete outer shell is the octet rule. And this is the rule the whole of bonding runs on. An atom 1 electron short will grab one and turn negative. An atom with 1 to spare will give it away and turn positive. Full outer shells are the reason atoms bond at all. Finally, let's go deeper. Zoom into a shell, and it splits into subshells, labeled S, P, and D, and those hold the electrons in 1s and 2s. Fill them in order, and you get an atom's electron configuration, its exact address, 1 electron at a time. And here's the fix we promised. An electron doesn't trace a tidy orbit at all. Quantum mechanics says you can never pin down both where it is and where it's going. So an orbital isn't a path, it's a probability cloud, a fuzzy region where the electron is simply likely to be. The planets were a stepping stone. The truth is a haze of chance. From a speck of dust to a cloud of probability, 1 atom understood at 4 depths. And those shells and that octet rule. They're exactly where the other stories begin. Atoms give, take, and share electrons just to complete these shells. This is the atom the bonds were made of.